In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password in Windows 10. Before we start, keep in mind that removing your password makes it much easier for anyone with physical access to your computer to get into your files and settings. This can be convenient at home on a personal device, but it's not recommended for laptops you travel with or for work computers. Only do this if you're comfortable with the security trade-off. First, make sure you're signed in to the Windows account whose password you want to remove. You'll need to be logged in as that user to change its sign-in options. Once you're on the desktop, move your mouse down to the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen and click it. Then, click the small gear icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, look for the section called Accounts. Go ahead and click that. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options like Your Info, Email and Accounts, and so on. Click on the one labeled Sign-in Options. This is where Windows controls how you sign in, whether that's with a password, a PIN, or other methods. Under Sign-in Options, find the section for Password. You should see a short description and a button that says Change. Click the Change button. Windows will first ask you to confirm your current password, just to make sure it's really you making this change. Type in your existing password carefully and then click Next. Now you'll see a screen asking you to enter a new password, confirm it, and add a password hint. To remove your password completely, leave all of these fields blank. Don't type anything at all in the new password boxes or the hint field. With everything empty, click Next and then click Finish. At this point, your Windows 10 account no longer has a password set. To test it, you can press the Windows key and L on your keyboard to lock your computer. When you get to the lock screen, just press a key or click the mouse, and you should be taken straight to the desktop without being asked for a password. If you ever change your mind and want to add a password back for better security, just return to the same Sign-in Options area. Click Add under Password and follow the prompts. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed the password from your Windows 10 account.